And I'm thinking green. You know, I think if I got this one, like if I have an ideas for the soaring sugaring, I would place my fruit in a different precision, I think. But we can always create it more fruit, you know, nails. So you don't have to do exactly where you want, just randomly. And now we're going to blend it. Let it set. It's so bright and pink. Yes, right, Tom. And then we're doing a number 12 crystal clear. Yes, yeah, thermosol right now. Yes, they're getting Skyla. You will love it. Just get a couple of them if you really like it. It's created so stunning backgrounds, and it's just like it's effortless. You don't have to make too much time to create it, the background. So I have a piece of paper towels here. Make sure you have one when you work with fusioning, so then you can dab all that pigment and residues off. I think they have new different.
Crystal clear?
Yeah. Just don't drop it. Just need a little bit crystal clear. Don't need a whole lot. Little go a long way. Because if you're using too much, you are bleeding, and too much blending and bleeding off. And you can work it towards from the outside inside. And if you feel like you want to add more, absolutely. Oh, this one looks good though. It's like a green. So I want to do this color to matching with the fruits theme. Doesn't you?
Doesn't you?
I don't need it. Oh, it's gonna drop. All right, so let it set. It looks cool though. I'm gonna have one more to do that too. And let it set. It's still dry, it's still setting, it's still wet, and I'm gonna do another colors. So what other colors you wanna see? Maybe burning heart, and then the neon's green. Neon green on the second row. Oh, right here. I'm not using two colors of one fusioning neon and one is ours. Oh, it looks like a watermelon, you know? Burning heart. This one is cool. I like that. So don't load a lot, just some little dab on it is go a long way. If you're using like so much, it's just like bloating. I mean, it's flooding all of yours, and it's my blending away your veins and the background look. So I'm not using a crystal clear. Thank you, Dom. And now I am going to dab it like outside. in to create its really cool vein. Looks cool though. Continue if you want to work more. Mix your veins more. In this case, I'm putting. Looks really good though. Oh, now it's make me feel like I want to put some like butterflies on it.
Show me both.